Hi, I'm Mona Hilton, and if you're struggling with marketing effectiveness, I'm about to show you how to fix it. Are you frustrated with the results of your digital marketing? You're doing all the right things, even driving traffic, but you're not getting the sales you expected. Is it challenging to convert your traffic into clients? Perhaps you're struggling to consistently capture leads, qualify them, and then follow up quickly and perfectly once you get them. If so, you're not alone. Generating traffic to your digital channels is just the beginning. Converting those leads into customers is where the real work begins. At Advantage Anywhere, we understand the frustration of lost leads and wasted marketing. It's expensive, overwhelming, disappointing, and a total waste of time and money. All you really want is a steady stream of qualified prospects and revenue. It's time for a breakthrough. It's time for change. Meet Abby by Advantage Anywhere. Abby is intelligent automation driven by AI. Abby drives an end-to-end lead automation funnel that converts traffic into leads and then into clients. Abby engages your leads, self-qualifies them with an assessment, and instantly starts a personal nurture sequence, all automatically. Your leads instantly start receiving personal messages based on their interests and concerns, increasing your consults, decreasing your no-shows, and converting your prospects into clients. But Abby doesn't stop there. Abby's guided follow-up assistant literally walks your sales team through exactly what to do next to close sales. It's like having a sales coach next to you. Abby systemizes your lead generation and follow-up so no lead can ever fall through the cracks. Abby works 24/7, rain or shine, even in the middle of the night. By systemizing your entire lead to follow-up process, you'll get a major boost in your conversion rates. You'll get more qualified leads, convert more leads into clients, increase revenue, and grow your business. And with Abby, you can do it all without adding staff, but still maximizing your results. Don't let another lead slip through the cracks or waste any more of your marketing dollars and effort. Let Abby by Advantage Anywhere automate your lead to client funnel process today and finally get the results you've always wanted. Ready to meet Abby? Contact us at info@advantageanywhere.com.